Hello, this is Ripon job call from ThemeHut. So today I'm going to start my first video here, and we will learn all the things about WordPress here. So for learning WordPress or PHP or HTML or whatever you did, you need to install your local host in your PC. So we will learn today how to install XAMPP on your PC. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to open your browser. In my case, I am using Google Chrome, so let's open it. So I have opened it and I need to type XAMPP here. Then click on the link of the XAMPP official website, that is apachefriend.org. And as a Windows user, I am clicking here for XAMPP for Windows. If you are a Linux user, please click on here, or if you are a OS X user, then please click on here. So I'll click here, and then it will tell that your download will start automatically. If it doesn't, then click here, but I think it will start automatically. Let's wait 5 or 10 seconds here. A pop-up will show and tell you that your download is ready. So you can see that it is saying that XAMPP Windows it's blocked because by default exe file it's not allowed in my PC by default. So I'm gonna keep here, click keep here, then it will start downloading now. So for the first process, I have downloaded the file already, so I'm going to pause it and showing you the file. So the downloads, I have downloaded. So I'm going to double click on that, and it will show a prompt that do you want to allow this app to make changes on your device. So I'm going to click on yes. So it will show you a prompt that welcome to XAMPP, and it will show you the setup of the XAMPP. So I'm going to click on next. Then here you can see a lot of things. You can see the MySQL, FileZilla, FTP server or Mercury mail server. You can select whatever you want for your local host. You can see the PHP, you can see the Perl, you can see the fake send mail, you can see PHP my admin. So I'm going to, by default I want all the options here, and clicking the next. So now this is the time to choose the folder. You can change the folder here, but I'm going to keep it on my C drive, and then making a folder XAMPP. So then click on next. Then the language, I will keep it on English, and there is another language that is details maybe for German people, so I'm going to keep it in English. Then click on next, and then it is saying that setup is now ready to begin installing XAMPP on your computer. So I'm going to click on next again, and it will be ready to installing, and it is installing and unpacking files. It will take some time, so I'm going to pause the video here, and we'll be back when it almost finished. So it is almost finished, and it is creating installer. So in your case it will be the same thing. So as you can see that it's want to launch the control panel right now. So I'm going to click here finish, then click on finish, then the control panel has come here. Then I'm going to install. For showing the server here, I'm going to install click on start button for Apache and MySQL. So going to start button here, and then cross it. Then I'm going to go here inside the XAMPP folder, and then htdocs, and I'm going to writing some code here for the test purpose. So new, then I'm going to create a folder that is called PHP, and inside the PHP folder I'm going to create a text file here, and I'll give the name here index.php. Okay, then I have changed the extension here, that's why the prompt is coming. So click on yes, and open your code editor here for writing some code. Then I'm going to write some PHP code here for the test purpose, and hello world. Then going to save it and go on the browser again, and then type localhost /php, because you can see this is the localhost here, and this is the folder access of PHP. So I'm going to take it as a PHP, then click on enter, and you can see the code that I have written on my code editor, hello world. So this is how you can install